In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Wix site and start over. If your design went off track or you want a clean slate without creating a brand new site, this walkthrough will help you roll your site back to its earliest version using Wix's built-in site history. Start by logging into your Wix dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once you're in, look for the site you want to restore and open it. This takes you to that site's dashboard where you can manage settings, analytics, and the editor. Next, find the site history. Depending on your dashboard layout, you'll see a site menu near the top or a site actions button. Click site, then site history. If you see site actions instead, choose site history from there. Wix updates its interface from time to time, but the wording is consistent, so you're looking for site history either way. You'll now see a timeline of saved versions, each with a timestamp and sometimes a note like published or auto-saved. This is essentially a snapshot list of how your site looked at specific moments. Take a moment to browse through these entries. Clicking on an entry will show you more details so you can confirm you're looking at the right point in time. Think of it as scrolling back through your project story to find the point where everything was still simple and close to your original template. When you're ready, pick the very earliest entry that's close to the date your site was created. This is usually the cleanest version you'll find and the best way to start over without building from scratch. Choose that entry and restore it. Wix will roll your site back to that state, replacing your current design and content with what existed at that time. A quick note before you confirm, restoring will overwrite your current site content. If there's anything you might want later, text you wrote, images you uploaded, or layout ideas, jot them down or save them somewhere before you proceed. After the restore, you can continue editing as normal, and you can always revisit site history again if you need to step backward or forward. That's it. You've used site history to reset your Wix site and start fresh. From here, you can rebuild confidently, knowing you have a reliable timeline to fall back on if you change your mind. If this was helpful, move ahead with your new design plan and enjoy the clean slate.